garlic ginger chicken rice casserole or garlic ginger chicken rice bowl or ginger chicken rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the ginger chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the ginger chicken rice recipes and one of the most unique of the biryani recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken casserole recipes. Today we are going to make garlic ginger chicken rice casserole. Around 50 to 75 grams of crushed ginger and around 200 grams of shredded chicken, boneless pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. You can saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute this. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute thoroughly. Now put in salt to taste. Now put in the chicken pieces and the crushed ginger. Salt thoroughly. Mix your spices. A spoon of turmeric powder. put in half a spoon chili powder, thoroughly saute nuts, keep on sauteing. And cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Now put in the curry leaves after opening, stir, and let it cook for a minute. Put in 2 glasses of water, mix ready. Washed and soaked rice, mix, and let this mixture cook in the casserole for 20 minutes. Curry leaves as toppings, cloves, and let it cook for a minute in low flame. Now the garlic ginger chicken rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic ginger chicken casserole or garlic ginger chicken rice casserole or garlic ginger chicken rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ginger chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.